smells so good.
Hi everybody, my channel.
Emma, what you doing today?
And Noms.
Noms Snackable dippers.
Yeah, come.
Come in. Hi guys, welcome back to
All Emma TV.
If you're new to All Emma TV, welcome. Subscribe so you don't miss out on the fun.
Yeah.
So today, Emma will be unboxing Snackables dippers. Noms Snackable dippers.
Yeah.
Change color. Don't eat me. Go ahead, Emma. Open it.
Okay.
Series 1, guys.
Yeah, let's open it. Oh, it has blind.
Ooh, it smells so good. Guys.
This is a dipper.
Smell like grape.
And this is it. This is a Num stuff.
Okay. So they said refrigerate first. So you got to put this in the refrigerator, Emma.
Okay. We put something in the refrigerator.
Guys, we put the slime dipper in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. So while we waiting, we're gonna unbox these. We're gonna open these. Go ahead, Emma. Open it.
Okay, let's open it.
Any help? Not with your teeth. Come.
I need help.
Oh, God, it's so cute. And it smells so good. No wonder why they said don't eat it, because it really smells good. Go ahead, open that one. Guys, everything smells good. The bag smells good. The instructions smell good. Oh, this is so cute. No, ever try to take it apart? No, you can't. Oh, it's so cute. Smells
This is
so
number one
good.
in here. This is Camila Corn Chip.
Corn chips.
Yes.
And she from the Chips Club.
Yeah. Guys, this is strawberry sandwich.
And she from the Cookies Club.
Yeah.
Oh God, it's so cute and it smells so good.
Guys, this one is rare.
Yes.
And this one is rare also.
No, guys, just this one is rare.
This one is rare. Guys, this all you collect.
This is all you could collect, guys.
Yeah.
Turn it over so you can see the rest. Wow, they're a lot.
Yeah.
Smell good.
Guys, we done take it out to the fridge. And now we're gonna dip out the characters.
There you go. Let me take it off for you.
Got it.
Okay, let's see what dippers you got. You got it?
Please help me a little bit. What's
Right here.
Ew! It's gooey.
Because it's slime. Okay, let's see which one you got. Okay, Emma, so you got Rainbow Jam. And it's rare. It's rare. Okay,
Oh my
Emma,
gosh, guys,
ready?
it's cold.
go ahead. Part 2, dip your characters. Okay, 2, dig for little dippers in sauce. So they can tell you find something. Okay, so take one out and try to dig with that one. Since that one. Did you find something?
No.
Okay,
It's
wait.
still looking.
Take it out of this one and see if you could. You need help?
Nope. Ew, look like slime.
It is slime.
Yeah.
Come, because you're going to be digging all day. Let's see what you got. Okay.
Well, I see.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. See something, guys.
I see something.
Take it out.
Oh my
You got it?
gosh. Oh my gosh.
There you go. Oh
Ew.
my god, the slime is smells so good. What you got?
Ew. Ugh.
Look, it's sticky. You got it out? Give me this slime.
Gosh.
You got it? Oh, it's so cute. Show them what you got, Emma.
Look, guys. Look, guys. Guys, it's so gooey. It's like on it.
It's slime on it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Ugh.
Let's see what you got.
Gross. Guys, this is.
Holy Heart.
Yeah. And she's so cute.
Guys, this is Holy Heart.
Holy Heart.
She's so cute and she smells so good. And guys, we didn't see none of these change colors. But the slime is awesome.
Yeah.
Slime. Emma loves some slime.
Ew.
Comment down below if you think Emma should make her own slime. Right, Emma? You want to make slime?
Yeah. Ew. Gross.
Okay.
We're
Let
gonna
Mommy
play
play.
all the slime.
Put all of them in the slime. Wait. Let go. Wait.
Ew.
Put them in the slime. Wait, Emma. Don't pull them. Just. Whoa.
Yeah.
Guys, the slime smells so good. Slime.
Slime.
Feels so good. Emma, would you buy more of these dippers?
Yeah.
Yes. Now that we know it comes with slime, of course we will buy more, right?
Yeah, because it's come with slime.
Oh, you're getting it on the paper. Oh, no. Whoa. Look at the glitter. It's so pretty.
Yeah, glitter is so pretty.
And guys, when you finish playing with the slime, you could put it back in. Put it back in here, Emma. You got it?
Yeah.
I said put it back in. Oh my God, Emma. So when you're done, you could put it back, close it, put it back in the fridge, and you could play with it over and over. You ready to say bye-bye, Emma?
Yeah.
Was this a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs up. You ready to say
Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye-bye. Hope you like this video. Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
Guys, don't forget to follow Emma on
Twitter, Instagram, and Goodbye.
and
Facebook.
bye, guys. We love you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you can get all the notifications when Emma upload new video. Bye, guys. We